complaint against this Maha killer for duping her of gold worth rupees 50,000. Reliable sources have revealed that a jeweler from Bicholim purchased the gold ornaments from Mahanand. PI of Panji Police Station Francisco Cord gave us more details.
In the month of May, we received one complaint from one lady against accused Mahanand Naik that accused Mahanand Naik robbed her gold ornaments consisting of one gold chain and two gold bangles. In this connection, we had registered an offence under section 137 of 09, under section 392 IPC, and investigation was in progress. We brought accused Mahanand Naik on transfer warrant from Ponda Police, and during the course of interrogation, the accused confessed of committing the crime, and he also volunteered to show the place where he had sold these gold ornaments. Accordingly, we have recovered these gold ornaments from one goldsmith who had accepted that Mahanand has sold him one gold chain and two gold bangles, and these gold ornaments have been recovered from the goldsmith, and further investigation in this case is in progress.
Mahanand Naik's custody is handed over to Verna Police. He will be in their custody for 10 days. He will be interrogated in Nirmala Amolkar murder case. Nirmala Amolkar was a resident of Rivana Kepe. Mahanand allegedly murdered her at Verna. Our video journalist from Panaji, Sunny Narvekar, with reporter Jason Suarez for Prudent Media.
We will be right back after a short break. Don't go anywhere. Watch sports news when we come back. The Goan table tennis team preparing for the upcoming Lusophoniya Games is in a buoyant mode after undergoing almost weeks training under legendary Kamlesh Mehta. The former Indian captain and 8-time national champion has improved the confidence level of the 8-member Goan team.
Prudent Media sports editor Neeraj Prabhu, along with video journalist Yashwant Parab, took a close look at the ongoing preparation of the table tennis team at Indo Stadium at Kampal. The Goan side comprises of Diljit Wellinkar, Agnenol Naik, Noel Norona, Ajit Ghatkar, Divya Demelo, Alicia Alfonso, Saloni Shirvaikar and Nisa Alvarez. Erwin Cordo is the designated coach of the team. All the players from the camp were delighted to have had the opportunity to train under Arjuna awardee Kamlesh Mehta.
How has the improvement been overall for the team?
The service returns. He has shown her how to return the services short, long, even how to improve the toss spin on toss spin, service and hitting a toss spin on the service.
Kamlesh sir is one of the best coaches India ever has. He has a very good way of communicating with the students. On my movement, he has corrected me on my movement and even on my top spin, even about my backhand.
Coaching camp has made a lot of difference in our game. We all are like right now at a top form, and seeing to that like we can actually perform at the Lusophoniya Games at Portugal.
He corrects every mistake that we make, and even when we don't understand, he tries to play with us and he tries to show us the actual what he's trying to tell us.
Being under him is like a golden opportunity for us. These 15 days, like we have to make the best use of him. And basically I'm a defensive player. I got a anti-rub on my backhand. So he has improved my chops, my backhand, forehand, top spin, everything.
त्याने आमकां खूप वेगळे शिकयला हांगा आनी तेजे कोचिंग म्हाका खूप लायक जालें. एक तेणे आमकां टॉस स्पिन बरी शिकयल्या, टेबलार रावन आनी फाटी वचून सुद्दां मारपाक आनी म्हाका खूप लायक जालें तेजे ट्रेनिंग.
He's been helping me to hit better top spins, forehand top spins, and he's helping me to place the ball better. And also we've been doing service practice where he's been teaching new serves.
So he has tried to develop what we play, and his basic thing has been that we should try to play what we play the best, improve on that. So he has stressed on sharpening those skills.
How has it been working with our Goan table tennis team for this upcoming Lusophoniya Games?
We are giving them multi-ball. We are focusing more on service and receiving, which I feel will make a little bit of difference to them. Various strategies we have worked out, and we are focusing on those strategies. Brazil is a very strong table tennis playing country. Portugal is a good table tennis playing country. We have to prepare them mentally, and that's what we are telling them. They may be better players, but on the table anything can happen.
There has been a vast improvement for my training and what Kamlesh has imparted his knowledge into them, which has made a significant difference. But my training was in what he has imparted. So the team morale has increased, their confidence has increased. We are trying to use all these techniques and tactics what Kamlesh has given us, and he with his knowledge and all, I hope they do quite well and very well.
Let's have a look at the headlines once again. Mickey's Hummer under scan of Transport Department. Department asked Mickey to submit car documents within 15 days. Terror threat looming large, but Goa police under scanner. Identification system of fishermen paralyzed. Out of 12,000, only 800 given identity proof. Goa University turns 25. Professor Balram marks the beginning of the Silver Jubilee year of Goa's premier education institute. BJP opposes Japanese encephalitis vaccination. Asked government to stop the drive. 4 persons arrested in Vasco for smuggling spare parts of ship engine. Saifullah Khan demands better surveillance for the port town. An upbeat mood at Goan table tennis team's preparation for Lusophonia Games. Legendary Kamlesh Mehta boosts team morale. And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.